Good morning. You're welcome to the online video teaching session of Academic World School Viii-Computer. Now today this lecture is for class 8 students and my name is Lipi Basu. Today we will going to discuss about MS Access, that is database, relational database management system, create MS Access database and how to create table using Datasheet and design view. So before coming to what is Access is about, so let us discuss what is a database. A database is a collection of related data stored in a table. You may say it is just a container or a bowl where we are keeping our cooked vegetables. So here in this example, I just try to connect you students with the word database, and I have taken a bowl here, and in that bowl I'm keeping those vegetables. So that bowl here is a base and this green vegetables is the data. Now this is what is database, means a base where we are storing our data. Let me explain you in a better way. The next object that you will see here is the table. Now why do we need table, or what is the use of a table? Look, table is made of rows and columns where we can easily store our data sequentially and systematically. Over here Ram is a person whose age is 42, who resides in Raipur, and this is the contact number. Now these individual is known as a data, and when all these data starts connecting with each other, that means collection of the data makes information. And where we used to store our information? Obviously in a table. Look, over here we have written name Ram, age 42, place Raipur, contact 11112222 and 33. Now if we look at these data individually, this only Ram or 42 or Raipur or this contact number, no meaning is coming out because they are the individual data. Now over here what we did is we have clubbed all the data and have make an information. Now in your class, everybody has seen the attendance register. I know. The attendance register is also a database. Now you will be wondering how come the attendance register in the class will be a database. Now in this database, what the teacher used to do, the teacher used to collect the information, taken the percentage, overall to see how many days Abhinav is present or not, or Arnav or Arvind. So for this data is required. So this attendance register is also a database. See over here in 5 tables, 2 columns are similar. Actually same, roll number and name. But the third column is different. One is city, contact, sex, email ID and final marks. Now students, you will be thinking why ma'am has prepared 5 individual files. Why I have prepared? This is the answer. That is, in these individual files you will see this roll number. Through roll number we have relate all the tables, means connected all the tables. We have connected all the 5 tables with this roll number because roll number is the unique ID here. Roll number is the unique ID here, means the unique column. If Lisa roll number is 101, then We can't allot 101 to Ojas or to Xavier. And you may see I have just tried to make you people understand with this black line that I have connected all these tables and has formed the master table that is having all the data that we were watching it previously in those separate tables. Now what is the word relational is about? Means relating the tables, means joining the tables where the tables are attached with each other. When we are opening Microsoft Access here, we can see this one by default it is showing a blank database. Now there are actually three ways to create a database. First of all, we can create it in a blank database. The next is by the use of the templates. And the third one is even we can search these templates online. So today we will going to find out how to create a database like not with the template or not even searching for it in the internet. How to create a blank database is simply you need to click on blank database and you need to go to this folder. This folder shows us where we want to save our file. By default, all the files of Access is getting saved in the documents. Now over here it is written database 1. So let it be. Or I'm preferring to give it the name as sample 1. Now click on OK. You will see the name you have prescribed is written over here. And what is the extension? What is the extension of MS Access file is ACCDB, Access Database. So ACCDB. Now simply click on Create. You may see students by default it is showing table 1 here. And how to create a table? You need to go to Create tab and you need to click on Table. Like now table 2 has also appeared. Now table 1 and table 2. Now the next is how to create a table using datasheet view and design view. In design view what happens? Look, if you will right click on this tab table 1 and table 2 tab. So right click on the table 1 tab, you will see two views are showing, datasheet and design. So currently we are in datasheet view. Now we will go to design view. It will ask you that you want to save it or not. Just click on OK. This is the design view of the table. Now this is field name and this is data type. For example, if I will write in place of ID roll number and over here in place of auto number means automatically the numbers will generate 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. And if you want to give your own numbers, then you need to select the number from this field. Okay, now roll number we have done. Now name. Okay, name, the data type of name will be obviously text. Now look what it is showing. The name you assigned is a reserved word. Reserved words have a specific meaning access. Okay, if you use the reserved word, that means simply click on OK. No need to do anything. Okay. So roll number we have done, name we have done. After that, we are taking age. Age, the data type will be yes, number. Then city, the data type will be text. So roll number, name, age, city we have taken. So now let us work with only these fields, 4 fields. Save. Just click on save. Then go to datasheet. Now over here look, the cursor is blinking, means it is waiting for the user to enter the roll number. And I'm giving A101. Name. Now the value you have entered doesn't match the number data type, means it is not taking A here, because the data type that I have given here, okay, this one not okay, fine. Now do one thing, just only write 101. And now let me show you. Look, roll number here, the data type we have taken as number. So that is the reason it was not taking A101. And if you have remembered, when I have deleted that A101 and wants to come to the design view again, it was not allowing me to come because it was showing that this field can't contain the null value. So students, if you can see this over here, this field is known as the primary key. This field is a part of the table's primary key. So what is the primary key? Primary key, say we need to assign the primary key to the table whose column is unique. For example, your roll number, admission number, bank account number. So these Aadhaar card number, PAN card number. So these types of numbers are unique of a person. So while creating the database, so these many columns can be assigned as a primary key. And if you are assigning primary key, you can't set that particular field without data. Let's fill the data now. Name, students, I don't remember really what age I have taken, but age I think I haven't taken. Now let's take the age also. 12. Okay. City, Raipur. Ages, age 14. City, I don't know where. I have taken that. I think Mumbai. 103. Xavier, age 30. City, Delhi. Okay. So students, we have created one table. Now what if I will remove one value from the roll number column? Will it take? Index of primary key cannot contain a null value. Means you need to enter the data. Now what will happen if I give the same roll number allotted? The changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplicate values in the index, which is called as data redundancy. Okay, this is called as data redundancy, means creating duplicate copies. So in this primary field, I told you this is a unique field, so you need to give a unique number that should not be matched with the entire data that you have entered in that particular column. So right click, save. The first I have shown you how to create a table through design view. Now I will show you how to create a table using datasheet view. Come to this table, table 2. Now over here, can you able to see click to add? It is showing click to add. Okay, now I need to add a column here, and the type of the column that we want to, that is name. So name will be text. So write name here. But we have seen that name is a reserving word. So it is showing you one warning. Just simply click on OK. Now the next after name we have taken age, that is number. This one. After age, what we have taken? Place. So it will be again text. Okay, till here we all have done. Now what to do with this ID field? Right click on the ID and go to rename field and write roll number here. Students, I want to show you one more thing. If you will give a dot sign here, look, it will not take. It will not take the dot sign. So no special characters, nothing. Only text. Oh, nice. Now let's take. Wait. Now over here, what it is showing? New. That means it is asking for the number to enter. 101. But it is not taking. Look, not taking. Why? Now come to the design view. It is still auto number. That is why it is not taking. We need to set as auto number from auto number to number. Now go to table 2. In datasheet view, over here it will take now. Look. Now name same. I'm taking Lisa, age 12, place Raipur. So students, this is the way we will going to create the table using datasheet and design view. The students, you will get the assignments. So kindly download it, complete your assignment and send me via ERP, and if you have any query, feel free to ask. Feel free to text me in ERP. So thank you, students.